Hey everybody, welcome back to the series where I'm finding the exact wattage of the most popular LED headlights and auxiliary lights from Amazon. If you're unfamiliar with what I'm doing here, I would highly recommend watching my introduction video where I go over what I intend on doing in this series of videos. Alright, let's get to it. So today we are reviewing the Hikari 2022 HyperStar ACME-X. And they call it the Eye of Megatron, which is a pretty sweet name. So this is it. They are claiming 32 watts per bulb and 20,000 lumens per set. They say that each bulb is equivalent to a 150 watt LED, which seems kind of crazy, but that's what they're claiming. It's a pretty solid build. It's a nice fan, internal driver and all that. It's a pretty thick copper core for cooling. It seems like a really solid LED headlight. I know Hikari is a pretty good name, pretty popular name on Amazon, so I hope it lives up to the hype, but let's find out. So we got the Hikari bulb all hooked up here. Last thing left to do is to turn it on. So let's go. So it's looking like 2 amps. So 13.8 volts times 2 amps is just under 28 watts, which is pretty impressive. That's a lot. And it's pretty close to what they're claiming. They're claiming 32 watts per bulb and just under 28. So that's pretty close. So there you go. That's what it is. 28 watts out of the Hikari HyperStar 2022 with the ACME-X chips. All right. Thanks for watching.